Just wait, it's recording. Now,
Sir,
actually,
understand.
yeah, Indira. Now we will count total number of microstate and total number of macrostate. Clear? For omega, let's call it number of omega for what? For W or omega, actually it doesn't matter. For zero particles choosing, it was how much? 1, total number of microstate. For 1, it was how much? It was 4.
4.
For 2, we have to find. So it will be how much? 4 factorial divided by 2
5.
factorial. 4 minus 2 factorial. This will give you how much? 4 factorial
4
by 2 into 2, roughly. 4 into 3 factorial divided by 4. This will cancel out. Basically, 3 factorial is 6. So number of microstate over here was 6.
6.
So similarly, number of at 3 will be how much? 4. For 4 will be how much? 1. I'll tell you why. Because having a particle, 3 number of particle over here, because both are of equal size, the area compartment. And 1 particle over here has same distribution as having 1 particle and 3 particle over here. Clear? Still you can try. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it will be, when you add up or when you get the total number of microstate, how many microstate will be there? 6 plus 4, 10, 16. So it was 16 number of, total number of microstates were 16 and total number of macrostate was how much?
5.
Okay. Macrostate was 5 and total number of microstate was how much?
16, sir.
Good. Microstate was 16. Now, how do you get? For any general, how you get is, it's given by 2 to the power n. Clear?
Yes, sir.
2 into, what was the number of particle over here?
1.
No, it was 4. No, total number of
2.
particle was.
4 2 to the 4.
And then it will be 4 times 4 will give you how much? 16. Clear? This is how you find the number of microstate.
Yes, sir.
It's same as when you compare this flipping of coin. Do you remember? Flipping of coin. You can either get head or tail in that manner.
Yes, sir.
You got a Pascal triangle. Do you remember? If you remember, 1, 1, this kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, this kind of thing. Do you remember? 1, 3, 3, 1. And when you count, it's 1. After this is 2, 4, 8 in this manner. Do you remember?
Little bit, sir. Little.
If you count, there is only 1. If you add this 2, it will give you 2. After this, it will give you 4. And this was written by 2 to the power. Do you remember or not? 2 to the power 1. Number of flip was, number of trials was 1. Number of trials were what? 8 in this manner. But leave it for timing. So basically, the total number of microstate is basically given by 2 to the power n. N is the total number of particles. Is it clear now? Particle. Suppose we consider a thermodynamic system of n identical non-interacting particle. Clear? Suppose we consider what? Thermodynamic system of n identical non-interacting particle occupying volume V. Clear? Let E1, E2, E3, so on and so forth will be the energy of N1 particle, N2 particle, N3 particle, so on and so forth. Basically, this means the number of particles having energy E1. Clear? N1 and E1 is that. Number of particles having energy E1, similarly for the other. Now the total energy can be written as what? Total energy can be written as N1 into E1 plus N2 into E2 plus so on and so forth up to NIEI or NNEN. That's right. Now your total number of, which can be basically written as what? NIEI. Now this is your total energy, and the total number of particles were, how many particles were there? Total number of particles is given by N1 plus N2 plus so on and so forth up to Nith, summation of all the particles. Clear? Now, actually what the quantum mechanics tell you is that energy should be discrete. Clear? And the possible values are discrete, and hence the total energy also has to have a discrete value. But actually, if we consider the volume of that size, such a huge volume, what we can consider the energy to be continuous. Clear? So the actual parameter of the actual parameters of macrostates are N, B, and E. Just keep this in mind. This is very important. Clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there are huge number of ways actually how we choose EIs. There is a huge number of ways how we choose EIs to get what? Total energy. Energy, how much? E. Clear? Each of different ways in which the total energy is chosen is given by what? Here, microstate, as you all know. Clear? Thus, a given macrostate corresponds to many microstates, and it's very natural to assume that at a time the system is equally likely to be in any of the microstate. Now, let me just elaborate it in a slightly manner. Now, let's say the total energy of a system, let's not consider, for let's say there are 3 particles having energy. How much? 3 particles having energy, let's say 1 joule. Then after, let's say 2 particles having energy 2. Now your total energy is how much? Total energy is how much? Total energy is basically 1 plus 2, 3. And total number of particle is
5.
3 plus 2, 5. Clear? So actually, let's say other particles also over here can also have, let's consider one more. 3 having energy 2. Now there are different combinations in which you can get the total energy to be 5. Clear? Is this point clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is the total energy this much? 3. This is really 3. I don't think so. The total energy is given by, there are 3 number of particles having energy 1. So it will be 3 times 1 plus, there are 2 particles having energy 2, 2 times 2, and 3 particles having 2.
3 into 2.
So how much it will be? 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 13. Clear? There are 5 particles which should give you energy 13. Yeah. But there could be a huge number of combination in which this 13 number can be, we can get this 13 number. Clear? So that different combination is called here what? Here microstate. I think this point is clear. So we will just do the example in our next lecture. Then I think it will be better. After that, it will be clear for you all. So now the main takeaway is, now there are 2 different kind of states which are called macrostate and microstates. Clear? For even given any macrostate, there are different kind of distribution which is also possible. This is called a microstate. And for a indistinguishable particle, or for a distinguishable particle, sorry, the total number of microstate was given by 2 to the power total number of particles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And also we did what here? Probability your thermodynamic probability, or your total number of microstate, which was given by omega, which was 2 to the power n. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we are going to start with some different example where we can use this. Yeah.